Love you 3,000.
Ano habak 3,000 from UAE?
Love you 3,000.
Ti amo 3,000.
Para kami dahil 3,000.
Welcome to another edition of Coach Miranda Miner's Daily Technical Charting, Fundamentals, Improvement of Trading Quotient, and everything about crypto all in one channel.
Hi Miranda, magandang umaga sa'yo. In an effort to continue to improve our learning effectiveness in our elite university, we are continuously looking for many innovative ways to improve the learning retention of our traders and future traders. We have been getting a lot of requests from all of you to look for ways for you to be able to refresh your knowledge and quote-unquote sharpen your saw. It is on this business area and business requests that I've thought of coming up with a solution to be able to address the current needs of our student and our community. I would like to give you the good news that we're now going to officially offer a recorded copy of our university lectures, which will come with many assessments in between the modules. I'm very, very happy for this development because I'm sure this will help you learn the cryptocurrency system that I have been espousing in our university in your own dedicated time and space. It's going to be very helpful for you, so at least you can actually go back and forth with the recording up until you are able to master our system. Please make sure you don't forget that there are assessments in each of the courses or each of the modules. Going to be very, very important for you, for your learning progress, based on how it's actually separated per module and the way I've actually put it from a progression standpoint. I hope, Miranda, that it's actually a very, very good news for you. And please don't forget to visit www.globalmirandaminer.com for more details and information. We're all doing this to make sure we attend to the growing needs of our community, and I appreciate your support in our growth. Maraming salamat Miranda for all of the things you've done and supported me along the way from last year up until today, at maraming salamat po. Thank you Miranda.
Coach Miranda Miner, and welcome sa ating another very, very interesting na produkto in our global Miranda Miner community, and we're calling it our Miranda Miner Raccoon NFT. The first thing you need to do is just to open the website opensea.io/collection/Miranda Miner. Lalabas naman napakagandang mga raccoons na ito on different shapes and costumes. Yan, alright. And of course, pag inopen mo itong site na ito, makikita mo ang ating sham na available na NFTs right at this point. We're actually creating 25 different copies of this particular raccoon. And of course, napakaganda. Actually, hindi pa namin nila-launch, pero nang bumiling dalawa ng design na ito. Nakakatuwa. Diba? And of course, meron din itong unlockable content. We're gonna be letting you guys know very, very soon ano pa yung mga yan. Pag pinili mo, I'm very, very excited. And of course, click mo lang din ng favorite when you actually, look for this in the future. Mas madali mo siya makikita. And of course, make sure lang po na kayo po ay i-like mo din po yan mga yan. Just click on heart para lumabas yung mga yan. So when you click on profile, you can easily see all of them. And of course, make sure makikita mo itong green na to. Make sure you also connect your wallet. No? Kasi una, wala pang profile yan. And when you create your profile, you're going to be asked to create and connect your MetaMask wallet. O yun lang muna. So antayin kita. Visit our OpenSea website and looking forward for you to be part of those unlockable contents. And of course, yung napakagandang mga NFTs na ito very, very soon in your hands and in your collection. Alright, looking forward ko Miranda Miner, and thank you very much for your support. I love you 3,000! Miranda, this is Coach Miranda Miner, and welcome sa bago na naman nating promotion here in our channel. Yes, today we're gonna be partnering with Bybit, the next level trading, kung saan we're gonna be giving away Oculus Quest 2 in partnership with Bybit. There are actually 10 ways to earn. Just click on the Gleam.io link that's gonna be shared to you in any of our social media pages in Facebook, in Twitter, etc. And also register using our referral link in Miranda Miner link. And there you go. You actually have 10 ways to enter. Yan. Napakaraming ways to enter. Register, download, upload your first Bybit trade, join Bybit Filipino Telegram, join Bybit FB community. Ang dami pang ibang ways to earn. Alright. Alam mo, I'm looking forward for you to get this na. Sumali ka na. And there's already 44 entries, 17 days left. And looking forward for you to experience the next metaverse. Alam mo ba, in Oculus, pwede kang maraming mapuntahan kahit you're not physically there. And it looks like you're gonna be really there, no? Tapos, you could also actually do some exercise, diba? Kasi parang you are on the imaginary world. Alright, so I'm looking forward to have you to get this very, very good-looking, very awesome Oculus up for grabs for you ASAP. So join ka na, Miranda, and looking forward for your entries today. Sali ka na! Thank you! Salamat! Hi guys, this is Coach Miranda Miner, and this is the recorded version of our live earlier. Pasensya na po kayo at tayo nagkaroon ng little bit of technical difficulties dahil alam mo naman ang ating connectivity ngayon nagkaroon ng konting problema. But it would not stop me to be able to do this recording for all of you. So without further ado, alright, simulan na po natin ang ating program for today. Of course, today is napakagandang araw ng Tuesday, March 8, birthday po ng aking kapatid. It's 10:30 ng gabi. Maraming salamat if you're listening for us today. First announcement, did you miss us? Ang atin pong merchandise is gonna be launched very, very soon. Abangan nyo po yan. Tomorrow, ilalunch na po natin ang ating Miranda Miner merchandise, t-shirts, lanyards, and mug. Alright, number 2. Announce po natin, we're gonna be having our Dexio protocol interview with a very smart and of course, equally good-looking man like me, Greg Gould, ang COO or Chief Operations Officer of Dexio Protocol this coming March 12, 10 o'clock ng gabi at abangan nyo po yan. And of course, meron po tayong bagong Facebook page, no? Lalabas na po. Lumabas na po pala, pasensya na kayo. Alright, and follow me there. Ito po ay minamanage ng ating marketing team. Alright. I-acknowledge ko lang din, of course, itong ating estudyante, si Feldan Villarta. Naka 2 wins daw siya kahapon while watching our Miranda Miner member-only live. If you're not yet a member, please join. It's only 150 pesos per month. No? At you could already take advantage of our exclusive live only for members every Monday. 4 na Mondays po yan ng buwan. O 5 kung meron tayong 4 o 5 Lunes. No? Nakakatuwa, sabi niya, naka 2 wins daw siya kahapon while watching the live. Sabi niya, Coach, you told us to take the risk of Bitcoin. I entered, set my take profit, and SL then slept. Wow! I woke up today na saktong-sakto lang talaga ang pag-hit ng TP, then nag-dump po agad ng Bitcoin. Thank you, Coach. Alright, maraming salamat. And of course, let's now go on with a quick review of our coin at this particular point in time. All right, let's now quickly open our trading view prices for today. There you go. All right, it's actually 10:30 already. Medyo pumupula na naman ang merkado. Dow Jones medyo may konti ng paglaban. 0.03 or 3 basis points. Nasdaq still flat at 0.4% opening negative, no? SPX 500 still also negative, no? Negative 0.1%. Apple, Facebook, Google, Netflix, PayPal, and Tesla are also negative today. Let's now go with our top coins for today. ADA 0.79, BNB 382, BTC 36653, Dogecoin 0.11, DOT 1679, Ethereum 2571, Matic 1.44, 1.129, Solana 8349, Tether 2.85, XRP 0.72, Roast 0.21, Axie 4664, Engine Coin 1.33, Gala 0.22, Mana 2.38, Sand 2.80, SLP 0.56, no, or 0.0778, Bitcoin, Rubble medyo lumalaban ng konti. And of course, all the rest po can be seen in TradingView. Okay, so what's happening with the market today? No, the market obviously is reacting. Normally, it's a TP Tuesday or a Take Profit Tuesday in the stock market. At normally, iniisip ko na because this coming Thursday, lalabas na po ang CPI and the CPI is not good looking. So people are obviously trying to play safe with their positions. Kaya nga, some of the retailers are actually selling their positions. Obviously, gas is very, very high. It's a high driver for inflation. Diniscuss ko yan kahapon sa members live. And of course, Visa and MasterCard is going to be already have stopped their operations in Russia. TikTok stopped their operations in Russia. People are using finance as a weapon or weaponizing finance. This coming March 15 and 16, Fed is going to announce the upcoming rate hike increase. Medyo malaki po yan. So there's gonna be, huwag na kayo ma-shock, no? Kasi yung mga institutions, matagal na po silang dilinis ng positions nila. But on top of this, so obviously, the cryptocurrency market, kahit nagkaroon siya ng konting pag-TRBO yesterday, sabi ko nga sa inyo sa mga members kapon, mag-take profit na doon sa binigay kong linya, and true enough, finalo din po yan ng ating isang follower. You need to do that simply because the market is obviously reacting, no, to the conditions and to the news, no? And obviously, this coming week and next week is not gonna be good news. So mag-abang kayo ng opportunity for bounce plays kung magba-bounce, no? But we will definitely have some bearish bias, no, in terms of our news na makaka-apekto even for the stock market. So kailangan nyo lang talagang i-consider, no, na at the end of the day, this month is going to be a challenge, no? Challenge in terms of how do you make sure that you really focus on grade A trades. Really focus on grade A trades. Take a look at my quick post here. Nakita nyo naman ito yung ating mga positions, and you know, since start of the month, we've been taking profits, no, but we're not really aggressive. Ako po ay low leverage, high capital trader. At kota na po ako for the month of March. With my position, kanina nag-close po tayo ng position kanina, no? Before po tayo mag-live dyan. So, at the end of the day, ako po ay really conservative, no? Conservative in this market. At ako po ay talagang nag-iingat in my position simply because the market is very volatile and there is a very big news of war, no? So marami po tayong mga naririnig na obviously the investors are going to use Bitcoin as a finance haven kasi wala na nga po tayong mga centralized way, especially in Russia. Pero sabi ko dun sa mga members kahapon, napakagandang statement nito. Sabi kasi nung isang question na tinanong ko nung nag-uusap kami ng mga kaibigan ko is, so if Bitcoin is being used as a haven or sort of an extension na wala na tayong Visa and MasterCard, they're using now Bitcoin. So why is Bitcoin price not going high? So one of the reasons na nakita po namin bilang isang crypto analyst is, alam mo, it creates it solidifies the function of crypto and Bitcoin in terms of utility. Alam mo bakit, no? Kasi yung pinakita kong chart kahapon sa mga members, you will notice here, no? Here, the Bitcoin ruble is actually sold on a premium. People are willing to buy Bitcoin 10 percentage point higher than the regular price. So if you compare that with BTC USDT, which is actually on this price point, Bitcoin ruble is actually on this candle. So people are really rushing, no, rushing on buying Bitcoin coupled with ruble, no, to avoid getting their money depreciated. Obviously, the price of ruble is really low. Nag-dump na po yan, no, compared to US dollar. So, ang argument natin dun is people who don't need it looks at the price on a regular level. So, I don't care, I will buy, I will sell. But people who need Bitcoin, in this case the people in Russia, people who need it are willing to pay it on a premium. So what does that mean, ladies and gentlemen, is pwede pala nating isipin na darating yung panahon that Bitcoin can be bought on a premium. You know, does that make sense, guys? No? So please comment as well in this video if you agree, ha? If, you know, people are willing, this particular chart shows that people are willing to buy Bitcoin on a premium. And that is really, 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 really aha moment. That if you look at the other angle, in this case, the Russia of the world, no? They're willing to buy Bitcoin on an even bigger price. And I think that is an aha moment for a retailer. Okay? So, and of course, let's now go with our topic for today, which is obviously XRP and ADA. Ano ba nangyayari sa dalawang to? And of course, FTM. Doon muna tayo sa pinakamabilis. FTM, no, bumaba yung presyo because there's a key personal exit, no? Phantom has fallen 22% in the last 24 hours after a key personnel associated with its project announced departure, no? A tweet from Anton Nell, a senior solutions developer, that they are leaving Phantom Foundation without citing a reason. Grabe. No, Phantom dropped 22% to hit low at 1.32 on Monday, according to the data at CoinMarketCap. Talagang sell on news, no? May pagka-sell on news na tong si Phantom. Several apps developed by the duo will be shutting down with their exits, said Raj A. Kapoor, founder of India Blockchain Alliance. Interesting. All right, let's now go with ADA. Ito naman si ADA ang ating news for today. All right. Large investors known as whales appear to be bargain hunting Cardano ADA token as the programmable blockchain decentralized finance DeFi protocol see rapid growth. The balance held by the addresses with 1 million to 10 million coins rose to a record 12 billion ADA. So what it meant is, I think in my perspective, traders are hodling ADA, but they're hodling it over a DeFi, yield farming, they're staking it, no, they're actually locking it, no. So which is really good. I think it's a good way to obviously hold your coin, no. Obviously there is an opportunity for the coin to go even higher long term. So good job, no. I agree with you at that's also what I said in the 2022 prediction, that the reason why they're not really going down significantly is because people are locking the coin. You know, the whales are actually locking the coin, no, over either DeFi or yield farming or either in staking, etc. Cardano appears to be showing signs of promise for more to come after years without launching smart contracts. This appears to be translating into accumulation of ADA from large players. Ako, isa na po ako dyan. Okay? So, FYI there, ha? Naku, FYI, ito po. No, obviously you have obviously you have people who are hodling ADA based on wallet size, no, 1 million to 10 million ADA. Ito po yan, pataas na po sila ng pataas as of February. Grabe. It's a good sign, guys. It's a good sign. No? People are obviously buying ADA on this chart. Whale holdings have increased to almost 40% this year following a 70% correction. These addresses have now been accumulating aggressively. So tingnan mo mabuti yan, ha? Alright? So then the renewed interest by large investors may be a sign of good times ahead, assuming broader market findings find a footing. Alright, congratulations. Ano naman na nangyayari ngayon kay XRP? Let's now go there. Ito naman. Ang sabi ni Jeremy Hogan, let's look for Jeremy Hogan, ang kanya pong Twitter handle, okay? Okay, also follow Jeremy Hogan, guys, ha. Follow him as well, no? Ito, sabi niya dito, when will the Ripple versus SEC case end? Sabi niya, Ripple thinks it will end sometime August 26 to November 18 in its pending class action. Ripple agreed to move the case start back at November 18 in belief that the SEC case will be finished before then. Of course, it can settle anytime. So, in the perspective of the new agreed date, it's gonna be around November. At mukhang gusto nang magdiwang, mukhang marami mga usap-usapan that SEC will settle, no? So mukhang tingnan natin, ha. And of course, guys, with full disclosure, ako po ay nag-hodl ng XRP. So alam niyo po 'yan, di ba? Okay, and of course, ADA din, no? All right? So 'yon. Another potential driver of price because meron na pong ilalagay na date kung saan magkakaroon ng settling. Okay? And ang usap-usapan ngayon sa social media and of course within the internal circle of XRP that it looks like there's gonna be settling of the case, which is gonna be a good news for XRP in the long run. Okay. Ayan. Alright. Diniscuss din niya yung summary or post-litigation. Ano mangyayari. So just take a note of that. Okay. And of course, tingnan din natin ito mabuti, itong ating mga discussions. Of course, Biden, diniscuss na natin kanina, mukhang mariregulate po ang cryptocurrency, particularly ang ating stable coins. No? This is a March 8 headline. Gumawa po tayo dito ng prediction as of December 31, 2021 that stable coins can be regulated. So magantay po tayo sa news na yan. Alright. Okay. Let's end this live. Maikli lang yung live ko today, no? Or live, obviously, recording, no? Nagkaroon tayo ng konting charting at this point. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Okay. Let's now remove the comparison here. Of course, on a big picture, may mga konting double top na pwedeng mangyari at inayos na po natin yan. Naglagay po tayo ng 618 dito. Okay. Fresh charting po tayo from here, swing low to swing high. Kukuha po tayo dito ng another support. There you go. Kunin natin ito. And of course, kunin din natin itong 618 in this area, which means that itong dalawang ito is going to be our major resistance and support. Okay? Ayan ang kagandahan ng ating system. Huwag lang siyang babasa at gagawa ng confirmation candle sa 37. It can potentially go down. Okay? Huwag lang siyang gagawa dito ng confirmation candle on a 1 hour. It can potentially go down. Okay? So, what we need to do then is obviously yung ating live kahapon, very, very good kung finalo po ninyo yun. Of course, sabi ko dito, from gumawa tayo dito ng confirmation ng ating candle. There you go. Alright, nagkaroon siya ng little bit of confirmation, but sabi po natin, kahapon, either gumawa ka dito ng, either gumawa ka dito ng take profit line from the swing high to swing low, magte-take profit na kayo around 618 area here, no? Or sabi ko din kahapon, gumawa na kayo ng take profit line within this particular area and of course within this particular area. No, kasi may previous swing high, in this case micro Fibonacci here as well, no, from 618 to 618 you have your 618 here. It will also be the same, parehas po yan. So, take your profit line here. Of course, ito ay nagre-retrace ulit. Sinalo po ng 37,863, hindi naman siya nag-confirm. Lumaban pa din, umakyat. So, obviously, ito ay gumagawa na ng panibagong area of sideways move, no? A little bit of consolidation there. Of course, lumilit ang ating resistance. Ito na po at ito ang ating magiging support. And of course, just do a little bit of price action here, no? Gagawa tayo ng support area dito. Sana saluhin niya. Either way, ito ay potentially gagawa ng triangle dito. Ito ang gagawin mong area of support, tapos kailangan mag-confirm itong si MACD. This area, kailangan ito mag-confirm. Kahit lang tayo sandali. There we go. Ayan, kailangan mag-confirm ito. Either way, kung kailangan ito tumaas palalo, either way, ito po ay potentially magre-retrace. Potentially ito ang mag-hold 37,863. And then just play it on that way, no? Play it on that way. Hindi naman siya nag-confirm. Ergo, din na siya talaga bumaba. Power of confirmation. Umakyat ulit. Magko-correct yan dito sa 39,000. Potentially mag-hold ito. Pag nabasag ang 39,500 and 39,680, it can potentially go up even further. Okay, so yun muna ang ating TA for this particular part of the day. In this case, Bitcoin. Alright, don't always forget to look at the bigger picture, look at the naked charting. Naturo ko pa sa ating university yan. And of course, I hope nakatulong po sa inyo ang ating charting for today. More to come on this. I will make more and more charting for you to see in our future live. But in this particular episode, doon po muna ang ating episode for today. It looks like ADA, may accumulation na nangyayari based on whale hodling. And of course, people are locking their ADAs. No? Ang laki po nung pinakita na yun na ADA whale hodling. Yan, no? Nakita mo yan? Diba? From itong dark green or forest green na line, no? From as of January to February, talagang almost nag-all-time high yung hodling ng ADA, 1 million to 10 million ADA. Whew! Something's happening here, guys, no? And of course, XRP by Jeremy Hogan. Medyo matagal pa to, no? Matagal, but it doesn't harm to start hodling, no? But of course, trade at your own risk. Okay? Sana alam niyo po yan. At yun po muna ang ating live show for today. Sana po kayo po ay tumulong at tumuloy na sumuporta sa ating show. My name is Coach Miranda Miner. At I will try my best to have a very good live tomorrow sa atin pong Mandaluyong office. At this point, maraming salamat ka, Miranda. Watch out for a lot of good surprises to come. And I love you, 3,000. Good night and stay happy. I love you, Miranda. Thank you.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Gotta taste